Extraction of metals from ores. There are three steps: enrichment of ores, extraction of metal, and refining of metal. Extraction of metal. We have learnt about the reactivity series of metals already. In that, we can easily understood how metals is extracted from its ore. Some metals are found in earth crust and some metals are in free state. They are found in the form of their compound. Step 1: enrichment of ores. It is the process of removing gangue from ores. It is known as enrichment of ores. These techniques or methods are used in the process of hydraulic washing. What they will do means they will wash that gangue material with the water, that is known as hydraulic washing. And next is magnetic separation. They will take the magnetic belt with the roller. It attracts the iron to the belt, and mud is separated from the magnetic separation. Fourth, flotation and chemical separation. Chemical separation, with while treating the chemical, the metals are is to be separated. Hydraulic washing. In this process, crushed ore are washed by water steam. If the ore is denser than the gangue, then the gangue particle are washed away with the water steam and heavy ore remain behind. Ore is tin and lead. It is also used for the gold refining. Magnetic separation method. This method works on magnetic principle. The method applied when ore and gangue particle have different magnetic properties. And the ore and gangue, ore is the magnetite, chromite, and manganese. It's moving on the belt. The ore is moving on the belt. It moves and it moves on the belt, and it moves far away from the mud, and it is to be separated by magnetic separation method. Next is fourth flotation process. It is a process for separating hydrophobic and hydrophilic material. Ore is the hydrophobic and gangue is the hydrophilic material. Generally, in this process, used for sulfide ore for the separation of zinc sulfide and copper sulfide, this is to be used. When water and soap is to be added into that, and the oil, the all particles, zinc sulfide and copper sulfide, settle at the bottom, and foam is on the upper layer of that. Chemical refining or leaching. In this process, ores are soluble and gangues are insoluble. Leaching is done in the presence of cylindrical vessel or convert in metal salt. For example, zinc sulfide react with oxygen. There is a formation of two molecules of it react with two molecules of H2SO4. There is a formation of two molecules of zinc sulfate, water, and sulfide molecule. Extraction of metals low reactivity or activity series. These metals are non-reactive. The oxides of these metals can be reduced by heating. For example, mercury is there. Mercury is in liquid state. It extract from cinnabar. Cinnabar means mercuric sulfide. This mercuric sulfide react with three molecules of oxygen. There is a formation of mercuric oxide and sulfur dioxide is released. This mercuric oxide once again undergo reaction. There is a formation of mercury plus oxygen. Similarly, copper sulfide can be obtained. Copper sulfide react with three molecules of oxygen. There is a formation of two molecules of cuprous oxide and two molecules of sulfur dioxide. This cuprous oxide, two molecules of cuprous oxide, two molecules, it reacts and there is a formation of six molecules of copper and sulfur dioxide is released.